We are doing the scene where Arnold just came home from the supermarket, and what we call the scene is in the tub.
Just some stuff I got at the market. We were running a little low.
I got this. See it?
It's your library card. It's nice.
It'd be green. Oh, wait.
So it is. And it has your name on it. Libraries have that funny smell.
It smells like books.
That's it. Books. They smell like books. Yes, they constantly do. Do you have a bunny, Lucian? No, really, Lucian. This concerns me. We're best friends, and you've never said nothing about a bunny.
It's got my name. Lucian. You read them?
Sure, but I repeat, I do not forget about the bunny. Department of Agriculture book 1947.
Like hard books. It's hard.
Department of Agriculture book 1950. 48. Department of Agriculture book 1950.
It'd be a set.
Department of Agriculture yearbook 1951. Department of Agriculture book 1952. Department of Agriculture book 1949.
Hard.
And Department of Agriculture book 1955.
Pretty good, huh? Where's the bunny then?
Did you really lose a bunny? Now tell me the truth, Lucian. This is really beginning to bother me.
I'd be reading good now. A-C-E-L-M-N-O-P.
No, listen, Lucian. This has to be emphasized. I have A, Wheaties, B, lettuce, and C, charcoal briquettes.
F-L-M-N-O-P.
And a quart of milk for the Wheaties. Did I mention the Wheaties? I think I forgot the words. Anyway, let's say the Wheaties are D. Follow me? The Wheaties are D.
L-M-N-O-P.
So I've got A, charcoal briquettes, B, lettuce, C, Wheaties, and D, Wheaties. Something's messed up here.
It's on
It must be the door.
What about them? Jack would be mad. You'd get in trouble.
I don't know. I don't know.
I got this.
I got it. Put it all in the tub.
In the tub.
In the tub, in the tub, in the tub, in the tub. In the tub, in the tub, in the tub, in the tub. In the tub, in the tub, in the tub. Stop. I better get the door.
Get the door.
I'll get the door. No, put it in the tub, okay?
Get the door.
Come on, Lucian. Be serious.
I'll just stand there.
Perfect, Lucian. Absolutely perfect. I'll get the door. Don't give it away.
I'll just be standing.
This is beautiful. Hi, Jack. Nice to see you, Jack.
It's a nice day today.
Beautiful day today, Jack, isn't it?
Nice day.
Not too many clouds in the sky.
Not too many bunnies in the sky. Nice day.
You're right, Lucian. I drove all the way over here. Not one bunny. So, what are you doing?
Just hanging around.
That's a good thing to do on Saturday. Saturday's a good hanging around. Lucian. Yeah, your shirt. There's something under your shirt. At least I hope there's something under your shirt.
He had a big breakfast.
My breakfast.
Bacon, French toast, juice, sausages, orange juice, bacon. Did I say bacon? Pancakes, waffles, eggs, bacon, potatoes, cheese, toast. Not now, Lucian. Nothing about a bunny. You never mentioned a bunny before, have you, Lucian?
What's that?
I already screwed up. Sorry, Jack. I already screwed up. I lost my place. You like my lettuce? Jack.
It's these weird traditions
Yeah.
that give me.
It's because
they don't
it's so
have
random. Yeah. Jack.
So I should hide.
Where's Jack?
Must be the door. Oh, you're doing good too.
We can probably. Cut.